there, guys and gals. This is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. Guys and gals, today, if you are a web designer, if you are a freelancer, if you are building funnels for people and you have been struggling to make residual income, or you're on that client-to-client, month-to-month grind like I was when I was actively involved in my little design agency, then this video is for you, because today I am going to show you a groundbreaking, in my opinion anyway, new design feature that has just been added to our Cheetah Builder inside of the all-in-one digital marketing platform that I use called BUILDERALL. This brand new design feature is going to empower you to sell websites in the ballpark of $1,500 without having to use WordPress, without having to use any coding, and you're going to be able to start creating passive residual income inside of your web design business or your agency. So if you want to learn how to do that and you want to see this brand new feature, and I'm really excited about it, okay? Because if you're not a coder like I am, I'm not a coder, I don't do CSS or any of that stuff. If you are a web designer, a freelancer, or a service provider who does websites, or you build funnels for people, stay tuned for this video, guys and gals, because I am going to show you how to finally bridge that gap with this beautiful design feature that is going to make your websites look like $1,000,000. You're going to want to stay tuned for this, all right? If you want to check out this brand new feature, then keep on watching. All right, guys and gals, again, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly, truly appreciate that. All right, guys and gals, now really quickly, background story. Before I became a top affiliate inside of my company that I'm aligned with, which is BUILDERALL, I was a struggling web designer. Now, what do I mean by struggling web designer? Well, I don't know about you. I don't know if you can relate, but if you do freelancing, or if you have your own little web design agency and it's just you, you're just a one-person kind of operation, right? You have to kind of like balance marketing with building the person's website, right? You need to start looking for more clients while you actually work on the projects. So it's kind of like you feel like you know, like there's two little mountains and you got 1 foot here and 1 foot here, and at any moment you're going to just fall through that gap, right? Or worse yet, you don't have a client in the pipeline and you're looking at an empty calendar for the following month and you're wondering, how in the world am I going to make it next month if I don't get a brand new client? Now, that was my situation because I did not want to build and scale an agency. What I wanted to do was create passive income and residual income and scale my business without having to work more in my business. So at that time, my options were to create more residual income would be like, if, you know, I was doing WordPress websites at the time. So my only option was to provide like support services for WordPress, which can be a technical nightmare, and I just didn't want to do it. I did it for, I don't know, I tried it, and when I got my first request to fix the person's website and they told me basically that their database broke, I literally wanted to cry and scream, because I was like, this is not what I want to do. This is not what I'm in business for. You know, I want to build a business that also allows me to have a life. And so what I did was I also became an affiliate for like hosting companies and WordPress themes, but they pay you like a one-time kind of commission. They don't pay residual income every single month. And there was really nothing out there that I could align with that was both affordable for my client, that would be affordable to build on, and would also provide residual income after the website was built. Until now, guys and gals. See, I've been with this company for almost 2 years now, and we recently launched a builder called the Cheetah Builder. And this Cheetah Builder is so powerful that any web designer who's looking to do like what I did, which was to slowly maybe just get out of the web design field and start creating that residual income, or maybe you only want to take a couple of clients a month while you build your residual income streams without having to, expand your agency or work harder in your business. You want to have a powerful compensation plan that is aligned with a reliable web hosting company, and BuilderAll is it. And with our recent launch of this new feature, you can go out there and build $1,500 websites. When that project is completed, you have a hosting customer who is paying you residual monthly every single month, and you don't have to deal with any of the maintenance or support. You can just send them to BuilderAll if they have any problems with their website. So you will have to do some sort of, obviously customer service because they are your client, but technical issues and all that stuff, you wouldn't have to get in there like I was going to have to do, get in there and dig into people's WordPress sites to fix things and become technical support for WordPress sites. I did not want to do that. So you won't have to do that with BuilderAll either, because we have an incredible support team that will take care of any technical issues for you. So with that being said, I just wanted to share this awesome new feature that we have so that you can literally go out there and start selling these websites while you build that residual income and still do what you love, right? Because as designers, we always love design. We'll always love design. We'll always love tinkering with websites and funnels and things like that, and getting color schemes together and building beautiful things. And BuilderAll helps you do that while you earn money from selling websites and then following that up with residual income. So let me go ahead and stop talking and show you the brand new feature that has just been released.
All right, guys and gals, so here I am inside my BuilderAll back office, and I'm going to go into the Cheetah drag and drop website builder. And while we're here, you can see how many tools that I have available to me. And this is just a fraction of them because this is what I have on my dashboard. So if you activate a 14-day free trial of BuilderAll, you'll get access to all of our different tools. You'll be able to test different things out. And so you'll get all of these things in addition to our amazing Cheetah drag and drop website builder. So I just wanted to bring that to your attention. So what I'm going to do right now is I am going to show you this amazing feature. Now, let me go inside my Cheetah test site because that's where I do all my testing and playing and all that good stuff. Okay. But just so that you know, in order to do this in other WordPress themes, you need to know CSS coding. And you might have a really great eye for design, but you're not a coder. And so by having this available to us inside of BuilderAll, now we can literally elevate the value of the websites we're designing, and we can charge more for the websites that you're designing because you can give more value without all the extra coding, and your end result is absolutely stunning. And so I'm so happy about this because if you're anything like me and you struggle with coding, you don't have time to learn CSS, but you do have that eye for design, and you can make a good income online selling websites and stuff, you're going to love the divider panels. And that is the brand new feature inside of Builder, and I absolutely love it. So let me go ahead and just give you an example of what you can do. So just the other day, I did a video about how to create beautiful landing pages with some Canva hacks so that you can, if you are like in the newbie stage of learning how to web design, I'll leave that linked for you right below this video so that you have a beautiful template to start with. And the reason I'm saying this is because I'm going to go ahead and bring in some of those images that we worked with on that video the other day. So let me go ahead and start with adding a panel. I'm going to add a blank panel. And then the first thing I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and change the background, and I'm going to change the image. I'm going to bring in one of those beautiful backgrounds that I worked with the other day. So let me go ahead and maybe bring in this background. Okay, so let's go ahead and click save. So let's say this is the top of my website, and I'm going to increase the size of this a little bit. And let's bring in maybe like a box so that this isn't very distracting. So let me go ahead and bring in an element, and I'm going to bring in a box, and that'll get rid of this. Okay, so let's go ahead and bring this in. All right. Okay, great. So now we've got a box. Well, here's the gold. And this is something that I just I freaked out when I saw it. I was like, oh my gosh, do you know that because I clearly remember one day building a website for a client in Divi and having to scour the internet for the CSS coding to make these angles work, right? So I could really make this client's website look beautiful. And I was charging around $1,500. And the fact that Builderall has this with one click, I was just like, I almost wanted to cry. I know that to some people you're like, okay, Barb, calm down. But for me, this was a huge, huge deal. So let's go ahead and check this out. Let me right click over here and we're going to go to panel divider. And we're going to click on activate the panel divider. Guys and gals, look at this. It's an active divider. This is like a wave. It's so beautiful. Okay. And we can change the colors and everything. And I'll show you in just a minute with all the cool things that we can do. But let's go ahead and look at some of these dividers. Guys, there's no CSS coding. It's amazing. So let's go to drip up. Okay. And I can change the colors. So let me get my little handy dandy tool up here. And let's say I want to grab this tool, grab this hex code. I'm going to go ahead and copy this into here. And let me X out of here. And I'm going to make this color this, okay? So now we've got double, different colors in here. So it's actually a layered drip feature. So anyway, you can change the colors of these little things. So let's see what happens when I change this one. Let's change it to like the yellow. Actually, what I want to do is change this one. Let me go back and change this back to this. And then let's go over here and let's change the second color and we'll see what happens. Oh, so there's a little, so see, it has like 3 different layers. So we can go over here and change this to like maybe this color. Okay. That's not the most attractive thing or color scheme, but let's see. Let's leave it there. Okay. So let's go back and let me change it back to that. And let me change this one back to this. Okay. So let's see what other features they have. They got drip down. So you can go under the panel. And we got mid arrow. I'm telling you, it's just, I get chills. I'm telling you guys, because I remember how hard I struggled that day just to do this with CSS coding. It was terrible. It was a very frustrating day for me. So waves fixed, polygon. I mean, you can make some beautiful, let's go ahead and add another panel in here just for fun. So let's go ahead and add another panel and, let's go ahead and add a content panel and, let me bring this in here. Okay. So look at what a gorgeous website you can start building. It is absolutely stunning. I'm so happy. So polygon up, we got banner lateral, we got drops. Oh my goodness. Look at this. I can't even deal right now. Look at this. Hello, do you have a travel agency or a cruise agency, something like that, where you're booking cruises for clients or vacations for clients? No more worrying about CSS coding. Look at that. Okay, so zigzag, big arrow, got clouds. We can make them white. How beautiful is that, guys? Do you know, I'm telling you, I know, I'm getting like all like verklempt here because it's just, you don't need to know CSS coding and you can build a beautiful website. And then once this website is launched, guys and gals, you're going to make that residual passive income with every client that you put on, Builderall. You could just build simple landing pages. Forget $1,500. You can do a landing page for $500 and build a beautiful landing page and get yourself a client that's going to keep on paying every single month so that you can start, filling that gap between clients and start creating that residual income. This is going to empower us as designers to build more beautiful websites without having to know code. And that's a huge deal, guys. That to me it's just a freaking huge deal. Okay. All right. So let's see what else we got. So we saw the clouds. Here's curve. Okay. And oh, actually, I'm doing it on the wrong one. So I want to be here. I was on the wrong panel. So let's go curve. Okay. Let's do arrow reverse. Okay. Pixels. Big round. And then the last one is breaker. Okay. I just can't get over this one. The floating waves. That is absolutely stunning. Let's save this and let's look at it. Let's really look at this. Let's see the preview for it. So let me go ahead over here and I'm going to go and look at the website. That is absolutely stunning. Bravo, Builderall. Bravo. That is... Oh my God, I just love it. I absolutely love it. Guys, I'm so sorry I'm geeking out, but this is just a game changer for web designers. This is a game changer because now you can build websites and also have that residual income. And there's very few programs that let you do that. I mean, I remember building a website and yeah, I would try to get my customer on, like HostGator or whatever, and they'd pay me $50 and then that's it. And then I had no residual. So this is just empowering us to build more beautiful projects, more beautiful websites, beautiful funnels, beautiful landing pages that your customer will absolutely love, and then still secure yourself a residual income client for years to come. All right, guys and gals, I don't know about you, but I got so excited. I get geeked out. I love tools. I love features. I love things that do cool things. I love anything that will increase the value of something. And this feature alone, without having to know any coding or CSS or any of that stuff, if you are looking to make extra money online, either as a freelancer or maybe you're already like in my position that I was before, you're a web designer and you're looking to fill that gap between the client job and actually creating enough residual income where, hey, if you don't have a client right away, well, guess what? It's okay because you've got residual income coming in, because when you launch someone's website on Builderall, they have to keep on paying that bill every single month. And by becoming an affiliate, you're going to make residual income for years and years to come, as long as that person's website is still running. So I got really excited. I got really geeked out because I just see that this is going to help so many people that were in the same position that I was. You love web design, but you're struggling to leverage, to scale, to have any real freedom in your business without having to grow a big agency and hire outsourcers and then become a manager of a bunch of people. And if you don't want that, if you want to scale and create passive income in a different way, I highly recommend that you check out Builderall and start using them for your agency, for your web design business, for your freelancing, etc. So if you want to learn more about that, I will have a 14-day free trial link below where you can check out our Cheetah Builder, test out our tools, see the value of what we have to offer, and you can start putting your clients on our amazing platform, and you can start building a residual income in between clients. And it's just such an amazing thing. So if you want to activate a 14-day free trial, which will also automatically make me your referring affiliate and you will be a part of my digital marketing team, just go to www.risewithbarbie.com/14-day trial and check it out. All right, guys and gals. Well, I hope that excited you. I know it excited me. I was so excited when I saw it at first. I was like, oh my God, I got to tell everybody. It's so exciting. So if you like this video, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. So with that being said, this has been Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on another video. Bye.